Today, I'm going to teach you how to get free Wi-Fi on Delta Airlines. If you're a SkyMiles member, you can access complimentary Wi-Fi for messaging and browsing throughout your flight, which is perfect for staying connected while you're in the air. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, you'll need to wait until after takeoff and the boarding door closes. This is important because the Wi-Fi network won't be available until the aircraft is in flight and the cabin crew has given the all clear for electronic devices. Once you hear that announcement, you're ready to begin connecting. Next, open your device settings. This is where you'll manage your connectivity options, whether you're on a phone, tablet, or laptop. The settings icon is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Now turn on airplane mode, then turn Wi-Fi on. You might think turning on airplane mode would disable your Wi-Fi, but modern devices allow you to toggle Wi-Fi back on independently while staying in airplane mode. This ensures you're complying with airline regulations while still accessing the onboard network. After that, select deltawifi.com from the list of available networks. This is Delta's dedicated Wi-Fi network, and it should appear once you've enabled Wi-Fi. Click on it to connect. In most cases, the portal should load automatically once you're connected. However, if it doesn't, open your browser manually. Sometimes devices need a little nudge to bring up the login page. Once your browser is open, go to deltawifi.com. This will take you directly to Delta's Wi-Fi portal where you can sign in and start using the service. On the portal page, click Sign In with SkyMiles. This option is specifically for SkyMiles members who want to access the free Wi-Fi benefit. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so have them ready. Enter your SkyMiles number or username and password in the appropriate fields. Make sure you enter them correctly to avoid any login issues. If you're not sure of your details, it's a good idea to have them saved or written down before your flight. Finally, click Continue to access free Wi-Fi for messaging and browsing. Once you've done this, you'll be connected and can start using the internet throughout your flight. You'll be able to message friends, check emails, and browse the web without any additional cost. And that's it, you're now connected to free Wi-Fi on Delta Airlines using your SkyMiles account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.